The future has arrived. Veegoo is leading a new trend in intelligent manufacturing. From September 24th to 27th, Marmomacc Verona, Italy, Hall 8, Booth F4, we invite you to witness the perfect collision of technology and aesthetics.
The intelligent vertical storage system from slabs in to slabs out is fully controlled on the cloud terminal. Efficiently utilizes the offcuts to greatly save the storage space and enhances operational efficiency and accuracy. The printing line, using cutting-edge inkjet technology, achieves multicolor and eco-friendly printing with customizable print heads that flexibly handle complex textures, efficient and low carbon, and each slab is uniquely crafted. Tatutica, eco-friendly and efficient in shaping the beauty of gray. Intelligent operation simplifies the process, significantly reducing the need for manual labor. EcoQuartz, a new material free of silicon, durable and eco-friendly, achieving dust-free processing. Looking forward to meeting you all at the Marmomac Stone Fair in Italy. Let's explore the future and create brilliance together.